Welcome to mini-series where we teach you to build a website. So far, you learned how to plan a website, collect data, and build your own wireframe. We also learned web development basics. In this section, we will use all the knowledge shared before and implement a website from scratch. First, create a directory or a folder structure for your site. Create a new folder and name it. Inside, create another folder and store all your images in it. In this example, we will show how to code from scratch using Code Editor Atom. Open your project folder in the editor where you have already added the images folder, then add a plain HTML file with HTML extension. You can name it index.html. To begin, type HTML and hit enter. This will create a very basic structure for the page. Edit the title of the page to your own text. Next, under the body, start creating the structure for the page. For this example, we will add one header, main, and one footer block. The header usually contains the introduction to the page. You can edit the header block with some introductory tagline. In order to draw the horizontal line, you can use HR tag. Next, under main, we can add sections. For this example, we have 3 sections. In the first section, let's add a div block and hit enter. You can now add HTML content within it. To add an image, enter img and hit enter. You need to find the path or the location of the image file and enter it next to src equals. Alt stands for alternate text that will appear in case your image fails to load in a browser. Under image, we can now add some text using AP block. At this point, if you load the page in a browser, you will see that your image is too big. You can control it using style attribute and then mention the width of the image in percentage as shown. We will learn more about styling in the next tutorial. For now, just follow this code. Now you can fill the remaining 2 sections with your own text using the heading, paragraph, image, and div tags. To create a list, use ul tag and further add li tag for each bullet point. Hyperlinks can be created using the ahref tag. In order to open the link in a new page, you can set the target to blank as shown. It will open the gallery in a new tab. Now let's finish off the last section. Let's put in a horizontal line, followed by some text with the paragraph block. With this we finish the HTML coding tutorial. Reload the website you have created so far in the browser. If you want to learn advanced HTML, we have link in description for sources we recommend. And head to the next section where we will show you how to style your website.